Hello children, now we'll discuss activity 2.10. This activity is related to dilution of acids and its effects. Let us start this activity. We take 10 ml of water in a beaker, add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to it and swirl the beaker slowly. The meaning of the word swirl is to twist or give a fast circular motion to the beaker. Touch the base of the beaker. Is there a change in temperature? Yes, the temperature rises. Is this an exothermic or endothermic process? Yes, this is an exothermic process in which heat is evolved. We repeat the same activity with sodium hydroxide pellets. Means we mix sodium hydroxide pellets and water to make a solution, and we observe that the temperature increases when sodium hydroxide pellets are dissolved in water. You can see this warning sign which is displayed on containers containing concentrated acids and bases. This warning sign shows that acids and bases, when they are in their concentrated forms, these are highly corrosive. Means these chemicals can damage your skin or other body organs. So you should be very careful while working with a strong acid and a strong base when they are in their concentrated form. The process of dissolving an acid or a base in water is a highly exothermic one. Care must be taken while mixing concentrated nitric acid or sulfuric acid with water. The acid must always be added slowly to water with constant stirring. If water is added to a concentrated acid, the heat generated may cause the mixture to splash out and cause burns. The glass container may also break due to excessive local heating. Mixing an acid or base with water results in decrease in the concentration of ions, hydronium ion in case of an acid and hydroxide ion in case of a base per unit volume. Such a process is called dilution, and the acid or the base is said to be diluted. When you mix a concentrated acid or a concentrated base with water, then you get dilute solutions of the acid or the base. We should understand what actually happens when we mix a concentrated acid or a concentrated base with water. When we dilute the solution of an acid or a base, the number of ions increases, because as we go on adding water to concentrated acid or concentrated base, it ionizes more and more. The number of ions increases, no doubt, but the increase in volume of the solution after dilution is more than the increase in the number of ions. Means after dilution, the number of ions increases, but at the same time, volume of the solution of the acid or base will also increase. As a consequence, the number of ions, hydronium ion in case of acid solution and hydroxide ion in case of a basic solution, per unit volume of the solution decreases. So we can understand that when we dilute a concentrated acids, the number of hydronium ions per unit volume decreases. Similarly, when we dilute a concentrated basic solution, then the number of hydroxide ions per unit volume decreases. Thank you.